Connecting Our Worlds through Our Cultures is a project for promoting intercultural dialogue among young people by sharing the cultures of countries via a cultural exchange program to create their own identity. Grow Your Reader Foundation from Bangladesh and African Youth Writers Organization from Ghana have initiated this project. Through the first piloting program, 52 children in Bangladesh were able to learn and unlearn about each other's worlds by challenging misconceptions and embracing diversity. The worldview of these children and participants was enriched with new information and experiences. We are promoting world unity and tolerance. After this first event, we hope to extend the program to a bigger platform by bringing together 5 or more countries across the continent to strengthen intercultural dialogue among young people. In the coming years, we anticipate having a vibrant, sustainable project that will pull together more organizations in the literacy space to collaborate, partner, and exchange ideas to better the reading skills of children in low-income areas.
Did you enjoy the video on Bangladesh food?
Yeah!
Can you tell me why you enjoyed it?
Yeah!
Because I saw different types of food.
Okay, yes.
And I like the way
There are many food. You like their vehicles, And so would you like to visit Bangladesh and try some of their food?
Yeah!